Hi, Steve here for 340 Media, and in this video we're going to take a look at category featured posts in Dinova. Category featured posts are a selection of your favourite posts that you want to show at the top of the category page. Here we are in the art and design category, and you can see I've selected 3 posts here which I want to push right to the top of the page. Now the featured posts, you can style those totally independently from the standard loop. So you can see we've given them a totally separate style and layout to that of the standard loop. If we go to Dinova theme settings and category featured post settings, we can configure that display here. We can set a title, subtitle, a post layout style, number of posts, thumbnail aspect ratio. We can toggle all the entry data. We can choose toggle the thumbnail. We can even choose a date style. Now, one thing you might notice is that when you add category featured posts, those posts are also duplicated in the standard loop. Now you might want that, but if you want to exclude the post that you put in the featured area from the standard loop, simply check exclude featured posts from archive loop, and now you can see these have been removed from the standard loop. Let's take a category with no featured posts. Let's take the beauty category. Let's say we want to add some featured posts to this category. We'll simply head on over to the post dashboard, find your posts within the beauty category. Here's 2. Let's edit the first one. Check featured post, update, back to posts. Let's take the next one. Let's edit this one. Let's feature this post in the beauty category. Let's update. Back to the customizer. Let's take the beauty category. And there's our featured post that we've selected. I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for checking out Dinova.